and some brain a course so was showdown work Canada Japan about Santimemo or the children. Na papa and some of the children say in the near future no say a new be see the was me and me uncle super pepe. Na say NPP for no cause do omocron no more dream normally via bemono the same thing. Papa and some kayeno. And sure, Canada Japan and so better no free NPP and say Canada Japan so tell no free NPP more. Then say Alancho Martin cock Canada Japan cock. There's a cat and for no and way a day and in Guasia and a part in the end of NPP no ebeba. Na political analysis being a make it a statement na papano or no be a didn't who have grow and some of Becca for politics. Me and Kotie and some Canada Japan the two Jana Papa and teach more than my and just ask from all the my war the speech Nasia. I don't doubt the intelligence of this man. I don't doubt it at all. The person will become when you are quitty. The about the Akabia, they will become a mere good timber.
Yamwa Kwaba. MPP was looking for Kwama, your quorum, say, what test him. What do you say? Watch that October 1, ye drew October 4, Pedachas, I come some bako. November 4, 1 million Quaco Twaba. Where ye delegates over 205,000 delegates. Wamu kwa twaba wasia hini ni atuane wamu kwa sipentemprem asiprem Noma tumia kasani ya hunidi oba bedi osrono enim sa beya 2024 NDC ni NPP eni ya mayokwa fufraka wamu ni kwa taswa ya hunidi oba di mkunim abaya mampeni wa maimuo na mrashibe jasoso wama yi aka hon na amayokwa NPP mwebira mutisi mweno mwaya he papa mena dao nyeti ya mwaya he nisa nukrei Sabra yaka say na tse se wohwamu a nipa ye kwakopre no wo modoso pa na nipa makomaku adu anu wo moto aba ne wie ya na wo yiyi mu a wo yiyi mu se sa akoka nipa be se enan ekoni num so a ne sa na ne ma ade ne ye hu ne se enipa ne betwe wo mu huvrim nipa ba ko a wotwe ne hufrim mu aye John Allan Kwadwo Kyerematen papa wei enipa akasa se no sabe baby a chichiri aboa no nka hwa ne agya no sene papa yi amayoko no wadi akotiri wo pa na ewiase se batibrukusu ne pesa obi tia motia o pesa we yi obi fia amayoko MPP mu a Alan Kwadwo Kyerematen bema wansi nsuo mansa no aham bema wagina nkonso so atu kurotwa mansa tuo awan MPP amayoko nim Alan Cash jajajajajai woma di papa na nia masese de wasi dondo afro tigari enti di ofro di otio ni wura so na ntombiem akwa resign enu nkamfu a sesei nipa mienu a wo mo gina brane pa na November 4 anya weyi a ebeye we na bedi nkunim obi anim se anya Dr. Mahmoud Baomi a na chese Kennedy akompre kwa Japan asen central rashe bedwani na da Kennedy akopie mu asantementamu we ye showdown walk anu wasane kwa share so wadi kan ye bi won kran hadada we po yere we po mantem ani e buru bi pano so na mo nanti free bedru Madina boboa no enada ya sentimentam de wapani yankasa nya kwa gina simpie so ekasaye na nya semkuma na ne nkasa ya mu no asamba kwa de tu dwane se ya tete abetia no na ne cha no na MPP amayoko nipa ba kwa wo mo ya toto na se ye Alan Kwadwo Kyerematen papa no ni mu odu na so kamia sa santen kai ase ade ya sante de ano wo mu pu atwene na ya rahosem Alan kwa wo kwa no ebetimi de wo how kasia ba MPP amayoko nim no doubt about that wonu de no kredi obeka wonu meni na nam chanchan ebon sam trotro aka na hwan na wokwa wonko na enkosia ma chasa you are small boys you don't know that thing keep quiet and let him teach you the thing say Alan kwa wonko na Alan mu eduo e wo mayoko nim no mu janu ama na kwasa muni bi beti esi amayoko nim wase wonu me ye yesa no wo munyai esan say amwa amayoko no e wo ba ko yemu abusuan sama okan no woka bi ka ho a na dɔso pa yenkonkotie sɛ no munyamfo Kennedy akompra kwa Japan na dai odwitwa mu e wasante mantemu yetie ne ne be
Jitoisu abeso PFP eye efrifa adubu ahe kawiri aram ponsa amo mo poti wo mo ho every PFP NPP UNC Emma Bisani and the ASC Emma TFP and the UNC Equatorial votes. Now the first round in 1979, a Liban party, and about 730, the Tonsu and 560, UNC and 320. So we come more PSP and the UNC LED Liban party. And my second round of the Montier, and Rantiamoha. Montier and Rantiamoha. I will as someone, Yanni 44, I got to the PFP. The Consul said, a Santini Badia, a Coco English. Say a Santini Badia, a Coco English. And the Council never saw power. I am a young or the other war echo. Monsantian, yes, yes, Santin Cassa. A year president before Monkobisa. There were 33 constituencies in Ashanti region then, 1996, Omokotuaba. 30 constituencies in Ashanti region voted against President Kufuor. It is other regions and the two-man President Kufuor Otuli at the year leader of the party. And now I said to them, now I will hope may come at now, media 10 wants to depend. And yet, Kufuor Asantifoɔ sɛ wɔn mu adeɛ deɛ wɔn mpɛ alam ɛyɛ busuafoɔ sɛ moyɛ mistake I am telling you alam is going to pull surprises.
Canada compare kwa Japan Facebook live na ehua guo no be ba Nigeria simpie so no where showdown walk I nei Asante mantem we why buburu ja na wɔwie no amana so no asade atodwa se baku ade baku a essence ne se enipa bi balapa na lapa mo bo online ene padifo afoforo aka no radio station ma kwatra so no ya Asante mantem titire ni NPP amayokol me kyerɛkyerɛ ma wontumi ni radio station ɛhɔ na nkrofo akwatra na wɔnom abɔ padifo alapa wɔnom atoma ne alankyerɛ matene ade no kyerɛ small boys are young na chama wontumi no small boy watu ni fu so antie na de na wama ho kwan man krofo akwatra radio station na omoye no e de nim guase na bebra party no na se yetufu no antie a ukwantie ade enti wonu ma yesa no wamoye very careful anya sa de amayoko ni ene de besi benyasi
Ghana here womu ti kumate ADT ala coming and we want to be station want to be just a small boy. We're a small boy. Want to be just a small boy. And television station and we need people in water. They catch their wood to meet her. Or power make it a half. Now we're alarm supporter. Take. And I'm going to compensate. No. I'm not before President Kufuor. Many problem. Who support two President Kufuor no problem. Who support two Vice President no problem. But don't insult. And you have got no more license to insult. They catch you on pain. Bawumia will collapse the NPP party. Bawumia is collapsing the NPP party. They can be paying. Bawumia is collapsing the NPP party.
Case now critical. Bawumia is collapsing NPP party. Hey, a procurement shani poni na tikuma kwadwai. Na beso bribra November 4 na ka boso me ne nansa. Enya ndru homponi e apetampe wosua brobo. Amayokwo no se sergeant to na pai no yase vice president Dr. Bawumia wo collapse MPP Kennedy akompra kwa Japan waso senkafo ni hwa na beka so no anyina simpie so amubom anke kanadwene a wan ana obetimi akeka na dwene no no won slow hwehwehwe wo wi no wache sama fanya careful pa sɛnea ba omia ne namo a wabubu ne pakɔ no wɔyɛ careful nya sa obehia ne difo no 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 wɔ da wɔm sɛ November 4 so wɔn nim na sa ayi first one om koye na mututu nkrofo ani na mo intimidate align ne wɔno ne supporters no se bi sase biam dia enya mayoko ne mu bedwa mienu amayoko NPP mu bedwa tu se hu wɔn bedja amayoko na si ho sasa amayoko nya nipa ba akofo dia na wɔno kro ti wei wɔ se panifo awodo afrɛfrɛ no sanko mo bribe no so one step it down munko onko November 4 no nanka onye vice presidential position and also one no vice presidential position kwato dia ne bodwe one vice president fata no ho wo kwakopre wo so wa turn wo down na so wo nim mo mo beba benanim discover benanim na de o kan ye futu ode ma no ba ntie dia ene showdown
Come on. Maybe you make a prayer. And till I make a say, oh, yeah, a good party, yo. And he said, of course, region, the hour, so, maybe region way, I shall regional executive sponsor, of course, constituency, maybe constituency, like a constituency executive sponsor. There have not been any presidential race and now flag bearership. One particular candidate, all chief executives supporting him, all regional chairmen supporting him, and some chairmen of constituencies are a wash of Minister, you 1 man town. I am telling them. They should repeat that mistake again, and they will see what will happen in the back. The better party that's wrong. Your vote is your power. One more year who said, one more year security, and we are the better. And we are the same, or better than the Major President, Womutua, Womutia, Lanatam, Ayaka Kabizam Nazo, and pay for no much of a party, and you say, Alan, our free party, Assembly. So, what did I have a delegate? Ubia, the Sikabrawati, Embon Kotuma, Japan. If you say Japan, Mama Mexican money. And he says, the cash and the deep money more. And I've been offered big offers, including money to step down from our meeting. Any woman who don't keep me sitting your back. Any madama who don't keep me your back. And he says, what we have full power here. Or be other candy any country I will say. I didn't win and pay money. Who's talking about you are changing our within the land? He said, Mama Mexican money. And he says, the cash and the deep money more. And I've been offered big offers, including money to step down from our meeting. To see what will happen in the past. I'm not going to be afraid of anybody. We are not scared of anybody in the past. Justice is for all. Justice is not for an individual. I raised his hand in Takoradi when I was in the party for 17 years. All the sacrifices I've made for the party because of your grief. Ministers of grief, chairman for grief. And then I'm giving them thanks. I'm not like Allah who is so gentle. Let them try and they will see what will happen.
They will see what will happen. Habusia ya tu ya buase ni abone na mama wey. Aprogu magu shedi poni na etukuma kwadwe yo. Hey, they will see what will happen. NPP. Dia nam kwa so ba na ehu. Yankwa o mane so ba se ye kwa amayesemu pedi ahunufo. Wom na betimi ate nsem ya kira sie ye ya hese. What is going to happen in NPP? The cage now okay there. Dr. Jonathan Asantio, political analyst. Doc, and you may want you.
Yeah, we need to take him.
Yeah, that's what they are so. And then you may come on. Association, no MPP and my your common, they will see what will happen at Yasimono. Doc, would you not yet see any D and ne? Can I Japan? Then some of the Guaquamuya MPP, as we go, Council, what will you save?
And painful baby says, I will be a baby who are pre. Na me mbusa ba no se bia me di tia Euro Canada Japan me se editia ekuo na nkasa eye MPP me say analysis am ye over the period no me bisa sa question say adenti na mo boatra alan adenti na mo de baumia jump alan. That question has not been answered, and the people say it's a matter of competition. And say, and somewhere Roman penny at the two Abra Alan Eja Kunyano at the man in 2007. See about on social media. The internet does not lie, and it shows perfectly. Kwaya and somewhere Oman penny akufadwa kai, and it said, "Ne ya batra Alana." Nature say, Pepe yebi. And Nimu ewo baby, and that's the more reason why one party in a crack. And to know say what they a free sam pempensone the baby see Eura a Canada Japan ne yiswa. Not just one story is a consequence of the other. And untino ushamwa nanka ya bo ala nipa nenino ayentimi anti enuhu enumchie condemnation and criticism are free the other side. They find themselves within the fold of the establishment. Then it means to say, see no evil, say no evil, hear no evil. Now, say, Utimu say, baby, I can't say. I am beyond no show that they are fan of this man committee. Then in the panua, Yadi John Twadia Mawamono, Montimia Mawa Montia Mamma Candia. Let us say, and you may be wa in Traye. Medin Council Sanaka said, audition now, I'm a qua any idea. Nasa tenant, a dang, and no, a bayer dangura. There's always something wrong somewhere. Nasa tenant, a bayer yura, a dear minuso, a biana, or bonny bray, and a landlord in the face say, may the idea with the just any per way are. Obey me, I'm sure, so are the mamma ma. Into no, not necessarily some mamma ma, a bit dear, the moment the matter, that is our hope. But you share at the moment, we share economic indicators. The political terrain, and whom intimidation near the account was to me. Na say you about me, who per se would di or mampenia the ocean of the Paboa. You have not had cause to say, Sadio and Fatamunyai, when we are the all economic indicators which say are bad. The NPP has been misled economically, in governance structure, in security, everything they have been misled. And until say, what side the Mampenia or Tosumienu, Baumia, and the Baba Shawa name dia. Let's say, dear Ben swap and a man says he take such a decision, Ben says he take such a decision. So what that means is say, greed na waka one samano, and this is a dear basa, and do fruit into our mother getting warning. If that's the way you want to go ahead. No mum said that about me, and before I hear or no, and never say MPP partner. I mean, sir, you couldn't have said it any better. So I have said, sir, if Obia a bonny dean, a say about the tumra, and the shamra be a tumra so d. No be a bonny dear every time Biano or Kokasam Pofra, was some dada. and then some for the bra. What that means in say you are not consistent, you are not truthful, you are not trustworthy, and whatever you say, nobody can believe it. Why would the establishment still want to project that person to become the flag bearer? And only as someone NPP for ever answer.
Oh, Doc, you're showing this direction. Who the possibility of another breakaway? Over and then some can Japan can ya what the NPP. Sir, yes, see ya. What would the Kaya first conference na? What would the cost one in Nipanasono? Yes, see ya intimidations. How do I see ya? No, and there was sign as it should be a say November 4 says here or not yet on your gentle's highline. Who the said by Biaka Con is what you be. Sanyama Unkoya can Japan, the possibility of breakaway. He bet me about.
Well, Japan is first a businessman before he became a politician. And businessmen, they don't joke with their business. Ushomwa, and brave brain, ya no wakasa. Nasa and some be a son of Bono or Kano, chief about will cheer for Biaswa. Who says, Sikasam, I they are hard. Now, we see all this kind of money. It means that the current went me and 2 years. So he's first a businessman before a politician. And it's a motive of politics, you know. I'd be saying business there. Possible so bet me at them.
Me no real commando doc. Asambia can Japan kayano e sama manfo adwene kwa akiri se any align e no kwafo. San se align sama wo kan nyina no. Ne kakra gban nyina ne se ase party no omo ye establishment bi a chinchina Dr. Baomiana on peso om de ma no. Nanso kan align ba bonte beka sansem no. MPP for bi ne nam chenchire se enya no kure. Wo ya asem ne kan se enya no kure onu kura mpo. Ya bribe no senka on step it down. Nanka Dr. Baomianko anko. Can Eritrea sa asem no. Wey e ma asem ni nyehumro so.
Okay, you need evidence to support it, but I never say already no the trouble to say I catch a can senka one chain. Nanka oma Baomia enko. Intino say what the because some of the account as part of the offer. I mean, how do you offer God heaven? How do you offer God or Jesus Christ heaven? When in actual fact, he is the source of it. As some can say, day and the ultimate woman can in Japan, Sikasa 119. When in actual fact, the person is not poor. It's not as if he's just popular. He's just not poor. And then how do you offer him a bribe in terms of money? So I am in Nakaka. I think the game will be more of evidential than just say be a no because I mean the politics can play a part. But as desperate as the establishment is, anything is possible. It is also possible. Say the establishment can easily do that. They could have said, say, yeah, the second amount, Jamuma and Canabia. Because you see, say Jama Mia division, so ababa from Kakra, the Ama Ekuno. But at the moment now, and call 40 alarm contesting, when still establishment still wants to send that about me. Then Namaka said, what could be the real motivation to let Dr. Baumia be the head or the leader of the party after President Akufo-Addo, when in actual fact, the credibility of the entire government machinery is called to question. It baffles my mind.
It baffles your mind indeed. Within the Dr. Jonathan Asantiochre, a bad man, you're saying, we are pedia hunufo, the colossus of politics, wabene. And some na fe na ba, yabe konko, yabe baimu, a brace semuno, yabe samba on champion. Dr. Jonathan Asantiochre, political analyst, and command yabe mu pa. Train network akopio honmoa. E ho so de ye de ababe somo na. Ni nyina ne sa Jonathan Kwadwochre Martina sese de what the ho afia NPP amayokuo yi ho akwakwate won ne butterfly party. Amanfo kire se wosoro krampo ehunu so. Emponkompo hurata na sabesabe emfui. Eh, wosoro krampo woso wa. Wa ehunu so na butterfly. Na wafato de se 1 week pe no wato so ehia mawu. Enti wo ba be den. Ene na manfo keke ka kire se alanko a wonko ebi mu kyerɛ sɛ wɔkɔ a wɔnkɔ amani ɛkyɛma wontumi kora deɛ wɔne aland afe so anya asɛm ketewa na ne nyina mu nɛnɛ nana akomia wɔno nso so nano ato asɛm mu bi wɔno na managing director at the State Transport Corporation nana akomia de ato dwa kyerɛ m sɛ well alankɔ ɔkɔ no deɛ ɔno deɛ ɔhunu sɛ ɛyɛ unfortunate bibia ne wɔkyerɛ sɛ alan kɔ a wɔkɔ no wɔkɔ akɔdi nkunim wɔntumi mfa ne independent candidate no ɛnkɔ nkɔdi nkunim ɛnsi a na ɔsono deɛ NPP amayoku na so kyɛn obi a o preko ba sabe wɔntumi ne maame ntanda sabe waterforce ne maame beta boom enye makodwa etipani akekaduro ti ala no kada better for him is obesa ba no ne amayoku no abahwia bom ba pass no nko akɔ se kɔ konten kro ne deɛ ɛmfa ɛno deɛ wɔntu agina ana wɔntu agina mpansa wabua wɔbɛka ni pain asam no kro yɛnto sabe ɛmfa na ni nyina mu no ohun ne sɛ amayoku no mpanifo betumi ne no ɛde dindi nkɔmɔ kakrakra sɛ bɛya obetumi aba sense ɔdon kɔ ne konten kro a wɔkɔ no bibi papa bia ni hɔ a ebefiri mu aba.
It is highly regrettable that he's choosing this path. I mean, Alan is a stalwart of the NPP. And the reason why it is regrettable is that it is not going to help him. And potentially, it could also hurt his party. So what is the point? I mean, certainly, Alan Martin by this movement is not going to win the presidential elections. I mean, he's not going to win. What he may do, depending on how the campaign goes, what he may do is that he may affect the chances of the NPP. So then what would he have achieved? He hurt himself and hurt his party. What is the point? That's why I say it is regrettable and that the party needs to engage with him so that he can come back. You sincerely think there's an opportunity for him to return? But, and you see, something, incidentally, we are talking about the same person. He did the same thing in 2008. The same thing.
He didn't escalate it to this point.
Yes, but he resigned. To get him back, he rebought those efforts. You remember? The Darocha, the first chairman of the... And then later on, when Akufo-Addo himself got involved in all of that, he came back. So it's still possible. And it's still possible with Bawumia.
Nana Komia, Managing Director, State Transport Corporation, STC. Wadona wati se wakasa, etirem se Alan kwa wakono. Want to maintain one conquering kunim, enti the possibilities of Babano, or Badi and Kebab one pa. Masaba Daniel Butua from place not about to persuade a permanent tamu. When you for Betty, Nana, Efua, Crosby, Mensa, and a dear to Yachim say, yeah, hey, I was somewhere for bra. Electoral Commission share limited voters registration as a car bono. Hey, I get 20 years old, Cassima so, Wabaka Bess 135,000 Ghana cedis. Upon that, them 1.350 billion. Now it's at 1,350,000. And yes, I'm getting low. And yes, in the sense, the Okoba who Kazaya, the Noto. What their fan crop for, what the far car. And their fan crop for 18 years, no. And one more cross soon, because on an impress one, so this are who cross voter lake and San Wakopium Donko Crum. Now what you are controlling? A bidiate, Puyan Crawford, Befamas, and what to make Tassa, a voter lake, no, yard the Catua. It is all cast of better say and handsome Rashabania. Not named Crawford word you my bro. We are see you more dear, so when you see a better so. And just want to make a can of bois. Say by us halfway now, when we didn't bet me about Batong Manim. Nanya Electoral Commission, my men and a sword ding. Anna Edin Trotray. When decentralizing called decentralizing a camera. And my electoral areas are who do be brave. It me petting what. And can we now how we at Robert Canals, Mamma and Yanessa. And on one cassette in the boss was somewhere. While I go district offices and a Miana Bar peso. And as I say, we can sure now from a pants and wet Miako. Everything a day, I canwa. One was 20 million Shahaima, one made in fish shadowing a pecono. One minute capital one bottom ponomedia Casio Afro car. Aqua register and nothing of a bonne bois. And they were tres cabro 135,000 Ghana cedis. And Sana halfway 8 Mikotro Muding.
Ntisia Minuka say, to put it on record, as at today, I have spent 135,000 Ghana cedis trying to transport people from the various communities around the Volta Lake to come to Donkokrom so that they can be captured. My biggest concern has been the risk involved. Because risk involved, akwala afi na wedi 8, wedi 19. Na ne maami eja no kwan na ono kwan bia wetu kwan saa baby a ebia obeda cramp na ebusuafo na nheda enya we. These are some of the concerns here. Now from the word go, no, you feel said there's more for the Electoral Commission to do. We are still working very hard. Your areas need be say Mepekope Chita area no will interest you to know say even network connectivity ain't ni ho.
Ani amuti yi ayo monya for Betty nana efu across bi mensa. Wano ena ya mrashebe dwani from place north abaton peswa so. En wode na kosema tepu ya bi ni die. A won mo famu ansa no matimi akotro din. Abusua ya rahosem pa. Na ne nyina chi wode tu dwa chem se. Ebi obi adwum be ne kesere ne na lorry fare can 135,000 Ghana cedis over 1 billion. I want to say here. Baby on make sure na me pa kwakoduru bi on ma omuntimi nsa o machi ma esan se nipa gba peso. Ti ebi kura na nya da ba koduru na no. E na wo betumi atwe odin. Nya da beto wotwa asuo fra na empafi besi. Sa na tie eto omu koduru a omuntimi nsa o machi tie se otimi rent hotel, guest house. Wasam twaduane mo amudi na keka nyina abomu a.
I followed it up with a petition to the Electoral Commission. They recognize and acknowledge the challenges of communities such as the Franklins, and they classify them as hard-to-reach communities. But unfortunately, Nomoka said because of some situations beyond their control, they will not be able to make additional provision for the people of Afram Plains. However, no. The office assured me that next year, 2024, the Electoral Commission has plans of doing a mop-up exercise where they are certain there. They will make provisions for hard-to-reach communities such as the Afram Plains North.
Ghana this year one more abrochimem enya abrochire babia o say United Kingdom, London. Wo hini kurom anu omo kire say wi aso nyanko da no da e kan ntia na kato ehuni nya na nya ebom ne ebo yeti so amanfo a wono mo Ghana a wono mo ye o madehye ebra won beka bi won se wo de pound sterling anu omo die na so hawa bi ni di ate po ya Ghana fo famu no won so o mate o kakanka anya ye kura no o mabusuafo e wo Ghana ha eduru ba bia sikasam na ya de down sa ena naniema mu nya otimu nsa ne kakra eba ne se ya na account na anu ada na mo kire se wiase wan kasa ti ho ebetwa dankate wo mo nyina bo twi ene trade ekopia mu e wo Ghana's High Commission no e wo United Kingdom wo mo kopia mu e wo High Commission e importem ho no a na kire se nya sam ketua placards o ma chiro so bra Facebook la na be ade na wo mo kire se na kufu ado diga na fo hwam pa wo ba ye na ye tisika so komede yen wo ye ne campaign 2016 ye tisika so komede yen wo menye hiamai Wamenya hiamai me ba ye pa ye ni ye pa wa pa so bibia tumi anya ye etia na abufo ba emani e wonu ma wa brochire United Kingdom wo nyina bo twi ekopia mu wo eye embassy anampo High Commission babia wono mo eye o madwuma no wo mo koye o manantesie nyina ne se wo mo to nkrai hedi afa Ghana's High Commission ho no se wo mo kancho mampani akufo do se sade one economy nyatete price kwantebe no wonkeka ne ho wonkeka ne ho nya sade a mo besi na enu no wo mo koye na chese na musini a wono ewa United Kingdom ho eye papa usu ankoma yesu wan fichiro mo pono mo number wo mo gusu kasa tietie mo gu ne so se papa Ghana ya den mama pani akufo ado asonte wo na ya na musini e de na moyo so manu besie papa usu ankoma sa mo na mo ble wano wanti se dogo bi no abe ampani papa pe yatra ne ka mu pua wakwa.
You didn't hear us. We came to air our grievances, but you've not heard us. Hello, sir. Can you listen to us, please? Can you listen to us, please, sir?
You don't need to have any requests.
You didn't listen to us, please, sir.
I've sat down with you before.
Sir, you've not listened to us. You've not listened to us. You're going through the back door. You're going through the back door. You're going through the back door. Your citizens are here to address you. You are literally leaving. You are leaving. You are leaving. Hello, sir. Hello, sir. Don't sit down. Sir, talk to us. Sir, we came to meet you. Sir, talk to us before you leave. This is not right. We came to meet you.
Until the time the citizens are all right. All the abroad for the citizens are all right. Oh, don't go, sir. Don't go. Don't go. Why would you don't go? Someone say you go. What for car? One film cry. What's on the cable? She Papa so come na kono. Boom. Bra Facebook live na be. Boom. Abroad kwa so dia so ye. Poto bi aro kono. What's that kind of boom. Say don't go ni na wenti OCD.
Don't sit down, sir. Talk to us. Sir, we came to meet you. Sir, talk to us before you leave. This is not right. We came to meet you.
Talk to your citizens.
Yeah. Now I catch you go so kramante. Not me. We came to meet you. Tini kwawan fans so we came to meet. We came to meet you. What's range? Papa so kuma so asnobu am kra. Na enipa bi so kwa ya am counter protest ye say ade ankofo ne ye nanim guase. Enim guase so mogu Ghana be anim ase. Na NPP organizer o UK Richmond Kwame Boateng.
Oh, I don't think we didn't identify with what the protesters had in mind or what they planned to do. It was very much a case of also concerned Ghanaians who felt that the government is doing well in spite of all the challenges that is facing the country. So they just couldn't just look on. They have to also make their voice heard that, look, the government is doing well in spite of all the challenges facing the country at this minute. So I think that was the main reason why the concerned Ghanaians were also out there in their numbers too. I don't think anyone will be oblivious to the fact that there are challenges anywhere else in the world for that.
Ani amuti ye frano ora Richmond Kwame Boateng wono eye wo meko protest ye ana omko counter protest ye chesade a wo mu nuanom ye no enye ne kwan so a ewiase ba bia ye den ha ara wo sem bisi yo abamu wa bia ono di fishia dunkron ye se frano koko sa koko se koko sum one small boy na wadi 19 or 22 no one twempena small boy a twempena small boy o na ne mpra no ye frano mateda dankwa ono so ye small girl 17 years ana wano koko no wanye mateda no kwara keto watimi besi na agedem si atimi aye ne de wakwasi wanye mega no na wanye na wi a mane ngwe wakoko mane konkohye so poison se akwara na nyunum wonom ya kina na asa gragro mateda da ne saman mateda dankwa dia wurahuwu kwansia do asemwe na otwimu na siye na no na babato dwa se abusuapani anade okasa ma abusua no eyo abayo na wawu na abusua Kofi Mensa and watch us say IGP intervene sa asem we dey si okrom ha no
my before call on by na someone by say soon please for someone ya say on basa na ka cho me say you say on ya say hupa e kwa pe mfupa ni ekoso no someone hwe ni ya ye mpene akwa ni wo na wewu no wo ma ye hu say so bi wo wi ase na so onku bi Ghana ha say ya embre ye adwuma say nipa no eni famra kwan so ma won ya say on kata so mu azo na akwala no funu no eni mu ase
oyiwa engona asanu na dawa no etiani amote ya no eno no na otwekura yamu ha dom kuma mrahye badwafie minority no woma abonte dia betu dwa se ha enipa bewu asa kwa pade nka befo ba kinawe som be sa trase ahwe han ama abai wei head by omampani akufu ado Dr. Baomia Kenoforiata ene Dr. Addison woma ka NIB ene ADB abom no ma be friend no National Development Bank dabi oma kwan na dia akoko so nyina no wenchenie state capture e na pese ba so no yesom person kan ADB ene NIB bom na nya hoode ya adwuma na no na minority for ne chese hodu da Isaac Adongo.
My difficulty with the National Investment Bank is that the National Investment Bank is our national pride. It's one of those banks that were set up way back in the 1960s. It was given quite a clear mandate to provide some scaling up of investments in various sectors of the economy. At some point when NIB saw that there was a need to create a niche, particularly in agriculture finance. And that's why I kept saying that no matter how grown and rich a man is, he can never marry his mother.
Isaac, I don't want to debate about him, no. It is out by my one year said day, my me, me one. John Lanka machine trade and industry minister, and what do you to judge them say? Eh? One of the what is a month for be both Joe and a soak can I? And I want to watch in one corner, but where's such a wound to me? What is an nabi? No, be no one care for power and what transfers would the cat TB man. I each a mount to no catch a mount with a walk. Sabe, and quite draw. And Anusnibia has sabinum, and quite draw. Now me quanum do ba party ni more. Me ma ya wo charming. And not dear, just say on Sasso where Dalienti, okay, can you patch them? No, Bonnie Academy. But also see a friend and a bee, not as one and a bee. One and a bee. So why you careful power with no chances? Why you careful? Because we're a small boy. We're a small boy. Nadia Sabi Penny, where you know, Conyaso Behuno, and now what is so Behuno. Wakwada, what Wakunyani said, dang. And yet, the Abehu, yet you want your tomorrow, Ebi.
Anna said, I don't want us to wash our dirty linen in public. Although chairman of the party, on Sheyepa, Sambia or Kawa, so I don't want to come out, in a way, a bit deep in. Because many any problem be madam from long time. And then who nam na okay can some say Anna maybe who Alan Anna one can be behind me say maybe yes and I say Anna because there was no anger. Now me percent me can asem. Maybe I say me can publicly no be at here.
John Alam Kodwo Martin the resignation chimun sam and then they want also eke kanadwini gumu na atwe na Ghanaian private citizen be friend Henry Mensah what did you judge him say well nokura wasi Ghana fo nyina say 1992 constitution nipa bebere e do fresh from kwata akire say nke be ya yensesa no ampa sa 1992 constitution we pa de amamanwofo wo mu didi peche ana yen ma ya Ghana fo no ohia bubure kuma bo akototo anya pradara so to sayen kwafo didi peche na de asenke ma o manfo mom ho tom no enya ne sa ana manwofo de ne ataka 71 holders yi wo mafu peche nti yenyina yamfa ho de ntachi na nka 1992 constitution yensesa no
Assad now me check it from the court on Monday me check here near say ya file as the civil the attorney general to also bring his response of the case that are presented to the Supreme Court. It says your China Supreme Court attorney general and the response aba you who send a normal besia apafa. Actually for years back Ghana for baby penny for kukudam for musia de pa can say na constitution no e wo e bebre wo ho e ma president so many powers and also why mama ye amambo no enkoso yi
and ya muti ye Ghanaian private citizen Henry Mensah na otwe mara wosem bi atisimu yetwa yanka bi hye kwati ase kolebu teaching hospital management woma to dialysis yes be one manya mrabuo mu anasa abu mu yade kidney yade bie ya to ne buo from 380 cedis ekwa 765 na ya rawo sampa na no na patient bi chese eni o ma wuawie we san say onipa da sani na otwe bia obekọ dialysis so prensa na 380 Ghana no kro no mu hunu so o mu nyes kampontua ni atum ko 765 to mo amade so de ne say aban hwe no resolve na yente so nya sa dia wonu nyina be wu before their time yente say your patience ni bi e dia rahosem kasae.
Come and see my stomach and come and see the way I am in. You won't believe it because dialysis is supposed to be 3 times in a week. Because of money issue, you are thirsty, you can't drink. You are hungry, you can't eat because your tummy is bloated. What kind of situation did we call for this sickness for ourselves? Why is Koledu doing this to us? For them closing down, a lot of vibrant guys are dead. Like me, I can't pay. A lot of people there cannot pay.
Sam, we say, Ubibini Abu Bonu and Kabe Pekuma Biaman Wampa. A Juma Wayan, you were Juma, Sanya Brant and Yara Walker Sano. Then you should go piano, what you munatisim, yes, you did say. wɔn go so a wɔn do so mu ɛboɔ no yɛsɛ wɔn anya amfa nkɔ hɔ san sɛ mmarahyɛ bedwam anya ntum. National Association of Graduate Teachers NAGRAT for na wɔn de ato dwa sɛ Ministry of Education Ghana Education Service wɔn mo de nan kɔ wɔn reset academic calendar no foforo na nkɔ trimester na sɛ ɛdza na wɔn nya sɛ no man no semester no na bere kɔ no aso free senior high school na ba ya akɔfo hawasa be yantam krofo ko mu no double track no mo hwɛ nyimfiri hɔ na suafo no maso mu nyu
wɔm free senior high school bae no aban enso di double track bae a yɛn school for no ebeko obi nkrofo bi beko school na nkrofo bi atena fie na edumri bi na nkrofo fufuro nso akɔ school saa double track yi di ɔhyɛ etu yɛn so the pressure potokasa ebeka pressure etu yɛn so sisi bebi ye du ya bre yen nuanu ma omo ye djuma wo kitchen ana school mu kase amo nko holiday omo nya omo ahome ye headmasters ni assistant heads any house staff omo nya omo ahome teachers e tradie no rest na ye kono sans wa enye yi because
ne dia enye yampa ni nyina mu no ena wode sansem wetu dwa na watwi mu na de so na watwi mu electoral commission e de betra bonten say limited voters registration exercise a one more year no sabe anomantu a ogina ho ampa we de omutu yenti omakomanim omabomodina register ni pababro empema hensia de oso miensa hanu aduoso nsia 673,276 across the 16 regions of Ghana na ni nyina mu no anomalies bebre piepiem ene say wonom ayan ketenkete omo ni mfi hia do nwatwe no omo say omo register bi numa fam na NPP fo ye bi NDC fo nso ye bi kebe ye ya wonom aye saade no wamunyae na emwa Ghana.
You may recall at the beginning of the registration exercise that we recorded low numbers due to some teething problems and challenges. However, those issues were resolved in a matter of days. We are happy to note that the number of registrations have gone up considerably. We are currently averaging 50,000 registrations per day since last week, and this is very, very remarkable. To date, we have registered 673,276. The Commission is within a striking distance of the targeted 700,000 persons to be registered in this exercise. We want to also state emphatically that this is not going to be the last registration exercise before the general elections in 2024. We will roll out another round of continuous registration exercise in 2024 in our district offices and also register people in the difficult to reach communities.
Dr. Bosman Asari, Wayajima Electoral Commission in charge of corporate services. Nene na mote ye no.